What if I told you that a few simple materials could be turned into this beautiful cement fountain? Today, we're making the whole thing from scratch. First, we're going to prepare our materials. I'm using sand and cement as the main ingredients, along with a few recycled containers to create the molds. The best part is that you don't need expensive equipment for this project. Now, I'm preparing the plastic bottles and containers that will shape our cement pieces. These simple containers will determine the size and shape of the final design, so make sure everything is positioned properly. Next comes the cement mixture. Add the cement and sand, then slowly add water while mixing everything together. Keep mixing until you get a smooth, workable consistency, not too dry and not too runny. Once the mixture is ready, place it onto a sheet of plastic and start shaping it with your hands. Press and smooth the cement carefully, making sure the thickness is fairly even. This is where the basic shape of our fountain starts to appear. For the next section, I'm using another container to create a smaller cement piece. Fill the mold with the mixture and make sure there are no large air pockets. After giving the cement enough time to set, it's time for the satisfying part, removing the mold. Carefully loosen the container and reveal the shape underneath. Now we have several cement pieces ready to be finished. I'm cleaning up the edges and smoothing the surfaces to give everything a neat, handmade look. Next, I'm adding the small decorative details around the edges. These little pieces may look simple, but they completely change the appearance of the fountain and give it a unique design. Once all the pieces are ready, it's time to put everything together. The sections are carefully stacked and positioned to create this beautiful tiered shape. And here is the finished result. What started as some cement, sand, and recycled containers has turned into a beautiful, handmade fountain. It's simple, inexpensive, and you can customize the shape and decoration however you like. If you enjoyed this DIY, give it a try yourself. And let me know what you would make with cement.